Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the iGulu portable equal pressure filling kit, helping brewers share their beer more conveniently while maintaining its optimal taste. If you want a longer preservation time, you can try the Deoxygenation bottling method. First, locate the button above the air inlet and press it. The air indicator on the top left corner of the screen will disappear. Next, install the carbon dioxide adapter on the air inlet at the back of the machine. The air inlet is a quick connect interface. After connecting, open it. Use the pressure adjustment knob to adjust the output pressure to 15 psi. First, tap on the bottling mode on the screen. The dispensing tube is connected to two adapters, which are then connected to the machine's air inlet and the bottle. Before connecting the adapter, it is necessary to disinfect them. After the connection is completed, the machine will automatically replenish carbon dioxide to the fermentation keg. When the pressure inside the bottle reaches the target value, the machine will automatically stop the gas supply. At this point, close the pinch valve and let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. Then, lift the safety valve to release the air. Open the pinch valve again to replenish carbon dioxide into the bottle. You can repeat the above steps 2 to 3 times to release more air. Remove the fermentation keg end of the dispensing tube from the air inlet and connect it to the beer outlet. Release a portion of the gas in the bottle, and then open the pinch valve. Gently lift the safety valve several times. The beer will start transferring from the fermentation keg to the bottle due to the pressure difference. When the beer reaches the maximum liquid level line in the bottle, close the pinch valve. Disconnect the fermentation keg end and the bottle end of the dispensing tube. After bottling is complete, do not forget to exit the bottling mode and re-enter the cooling mode. After bottling, slowly lift the safety valve to release the pressure in the bottle. Then, remove the filling kit and quickly replace and tighten the bottle cap for sealing. Place the sealed portable bottle in a refrigerated environment. Since it's not possible to completely isolate oxygen during the bottling process, we recommend consuming the bottled beer as soon as possible for a better taste.